Hey, this is Rookie Styles, the most requested hairstylist on the set and behind the chair. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to take you with me on a set. I have a photo shoot with some very creative people. Come take a look. How's the makeup going?
Everything is going great, Rookie.
Today I'm working with my friend Tia Dantzler, celebrity makeup artist.
Hi, my name is celebrity makeup artist Tia Dantzler. Some of my clients are Senator Barack Obama, work with Jennifer Hudson, Tisha Campbell, Ashanti, just to name a few, and now I've added Miss Raina. We're here today. Rookie Styles is working the hair, Harris Lewis is the photographer. We're all collectively working together to have a great shoot, so enjoy.
Today I'm working with actress Raina Rain. Hey Raina.
Hey, what's going on? Dude, I'm so excited about this. So tell me what you got with my hair.
Well, I'm going to curl your hair and give you a nice wave pattern.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Let's get started. We're back with the Raina Rain. I finished curling her hair and I gave her a little wave effect. How do you like it?
I love this. I've never had a little swoop like that before, so I think that's kind of hot.
That's your little welcome back to me.
Okay, so you know what? I know they're asking questions and they want to know, like, how did you achieve this whole wave curl technique you got going on?
Well, what I did was I curled I pinned it, and once I got finished curling it, I waved it with the comb in my hair. Not old school, but
Old school, a little new school.
exactly.